In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable plain text emails in HubSpot. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can switch on a plain text version for any marketing email. Plain text can improve deliverability, accessibility, and readability for recipients who prefer simple messages or use stricter security filters. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot and press Enter. You should see the official HubSpot site at the top of the results. Click through to open it. Now, log in to your HubSpot account with your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your portal. If you manage multiple portals, confirm you're in the intended one before proceeding, so you're editing the right content. Next, move your cursor to the left sidebar to reveal the main navigation and locate the marketing section. This is where HubSpot groups tools for campaigns, ads, and email. Take a moment to make sure you're in marketing, since that's where the email tools live. Click Email. This opens the email dashboard showing your emails organized by status, such as draft, scheduled, or sent. You can sort or search if you have a long list, but for now, just find the specific email you want to update. Hover your mouse over the email you'd like to work on. You'll see options appear. Click Edit. This opens the email editor where you can manage content, settings, and how the message displays for recipients. At the top of the editor, look for Display Options and click it. Display options control how your email is rendered across different inboxes and include settings for both the styled version and its plain text counterpart. Find the toggle labeled Plain Text version and switch it on. Turning this on tells HubSpot to include a clean, formatting-free version of your message alongside the HTML version. This helps ensure that recipients on older email clients, those with images blocked, or those with strict security settings can still read your content without issues. If the toggle is already on, you're all set. That's the entire process. With the plain text version enabled, your email becomes more resilient and accessible, which can support better inbox placement and a smoother reading experience. Keep in mind that plain text strips out fonts, colors, images, and complex layouts, so focus on clear copy and descriptive links in your main content. And there you have it. Enabling a plain text version in HubSpot is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.